Alright, for this lesson we are figuring out total point of sale or for E.F.T, which is the basic increase of memberships at point of sale. So this is only for memberships. That's the difference between point of sale cash and E.F.T, electronics funds transferred. So where am I going to find that? I'm going to go over to Zen Planner. I'm going to hit that same new students list, and then I'm going to come down here, and you'll see, for example, I got Isabella, and then I can see that she has a membership over here, so I'm going to go to financial, right, and then I'm going to go to view all bills, and then this next bill that pops up February 1st, this total amount here is going to be the P.O.S. E.F.T. This is the point of sale E.F.T. Because it's a membership. Let me show you one more thing. You would just continue to go down that list. Most of these actually are members. So you would just kind of go through and see all the members that were added. With Levi Clausen, watch this. This is 4 families. This is 4 people right here, so all in one family. But let me see if I can find something that's not an EFT. So Paulina, so if you look at Paulina's, she has an Elite 8 Fundamentals package, 8 classes. So that's a class pass or personal training. That's not EFT. That's not going to get electronically transferred every month. So when you came into financials and you went to view all bills, there's no other. You can tell that these are for her kids, and these are those memberships that we found earlier. But there is no Elite 8 like coming in February. That's not going to get repeated. So that's just a one-time purchase. So we don't count that as an EFT purchase. So that's basically how you get your electronics funds transferred. You would input that number all the way over here, and you can tell that I also labeled these. Right, so I put the note, I put Ale base 99, which is the homie discount. Right, I guess I was helping her out. Then we have Peter 99 Little Ninjas, and then we have Andy at 149 base unlimited. Right, so just go through and mark those and the memberships associated with it for January.